Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can fix the Google Chrome sync pause error really quickly in your Google Chrome web browser. So let's get started. Now guys, if you have run into that issue and if you haven't found any solution to it yet, for instance, because updating Google Chrome or logging out and logging in again with your data hasn't fixed the issue, don't worry, because there's one trick you may apply to try to fix this really quickly. So what you want to do guys is head over to Google Chrome, and here on your home screen, click on these three dots in the top right corner to access your browser settings here at the bottom of that list. So inside your browser settings, make sure that you head over to privacy and security here on the left panel, and in the privacy and security section, head over to your site settings, and in your site settings, scroll down to the very bottom of that list till you get to this feature here called on device site data. So click on it. And here what you want to do guys is make sure that under default behavior here, under that section, this feature allows sites to save data on your device is enabled. That may help you fix this issue. Additionally guys, you may try the following. You may click on add here to the right where it says allowed to save data on your device. So click on add to add an exception to that rule. And what you want to do after that is simply enter the following address, accounts.google.com, and confirm by clicking on add here to the right. And that should fix the issue guys. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.